students, today we will discuss some problems on linear equations in two variables. We have already discussed the conditions for solvability of the equations. In this question, for what value of k, the system of equations kx plus 3y is equal to k minus 3 and 12x plus ky is equal to k have no solution. We know the condition for no solution is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2. Thus, a1, that is k, upon 12 is equal to 3 upon k. It implies k square is equal to 36 and k is equal to plus minus 6. Now we have to verify if k is equal to 6, then putting the values of k, 6 upon 12 is equal to 3 upon 6, 6 minus 3 upon 6. This is 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. The condition is not fulfilled. It means k is equal to 6 is not the solution, but if k is equal to minus 6, then putting the value of k is equal to minus 6 in the condition, minus 6 upon 12, 3 upon minus 6, minus 6 minus 3 upon minus 6. This is minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2 but not equal to 3 upon 2. Thus we see, if we take k is equal to 6, the condition is not fulfilled. But if we take k is equal to minus 6, then this condition for no solution is fulfilled. Thus we can say value of k is minus 6. Thus k is equal to minus 6 is the solution. In the next problem, we have to find the value of k for which the system of equations have infinite solutions. The condition for infinite solution is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Putting the values of the coefficients, 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon k implies k is equal to 4. We can verify this value of k by putting this in the condition. If we put k is equal to 4 in the condition, 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 4 is equal to minus 7 upon minus 14. So 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. It is verified. In the next problem, we will determine the value of k for which the system of equations x plus 2y is 3 and 5x plus ky is equal to minus 7 have unique solution. The condition for unique solution is A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. Substituting the coefficients, 1 upon 5 is not equal to 2 upon k. It implies k is not equal to 10. Thus, except for 10, for all other values of k, the system of equations have unique solution. Now we will discuss some word problems. 3 bags and 4 pens together cost rupees 257, whereas 4 bags and 3 pens together cost rupees 324. Find the total cost of 1 bag and 10 pens. First we'll assume, let cost of 1 bag be X rupees and cost of 1 pen be rupees Y. Thus 3x plus 4y is equal to 257. That is cost of 3 bags and 4 pen together rupees 257. While 4 bags, that is 4x plus 3 pens, 3y is equal to 324. So first we find the cost of 1 bag and 1 pen. Solving the equations by using any method, we can equate coefficients to eliminate the variables, or we can use substitution method. In order to eliminate by equating coefficient, we multiply equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 3. One by 4 and equation 2 by 3. So first equation becomes 4 12x plus 16y is equal to and second equation becomes 12x plus 9y is equal to now we observe the coefficient of x in both the equations is equal, their signs are similar, thus we subtract second equation from first one. And thus y is equal to 8. Now we put a value of y in any of the equations. Let the first equation, putting value of y in equation 1. 3x plus 4 into 8 is equal to 2 57. 3x plus 32 is equal to 257, or 3x is equal to 257 minus 32, or x is equal to upon 3 implies x is equal to 75. Thus x is 75 and y is equal to 8 is the cost of the bag and pen respectively. So cost of one bag is rupees 75 and cost of one pen is rupees 8. Now we have to find the total cost of one bag and 10 pens. Thus cost of one bag and 10 pens be 75 plus 8 into 10, and that is 155 rupees. The sum of digits of a two-digit number is 15. The number obtained by reversing the order of the digits of the given number exceeds the given number by 9. Find the given number. So first we assume the digits in the tens place and the units place. Let the digit in tens place be x and digit in units place be y. Then the number is 10 times the tens digit plus unit digit, and the number obtained on reversing the digits, number obtained on reversing the digits is 10 times of y plus x, because y goes in the tens place and x in the units place. So 10 times the tens digit and plus unit digit. Now the condition is the sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 15. So digits are x and y. So according to sum of digits is 15. The second condition, the number obtained by reversing the digits exceeds the given number by 9. It means this number exceeds this number by 9. So 10y plus x minus 10x minus y is equal to 9. So we subtract the original number by the number obtained by reversing the digits. It implies 9y minus 9x is equal to 9. We can divide both the sides of this equation by 9, which further implies y minus x is equal to 1. This becomes the second equation. Now solving the two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. From equation 1, y is equal to 15 minus x. We substitute this value of y in equation 2. Value of y in equation second. So first you obtain the value of y from equation 1, then substitute this value in the second equation. That is y minus x is equal to 1. So y is 15 minus x. So y replaced by 15 minus x. Minus x is equal to 1 implies minus 2x is equal to minus 14 or x is equal to 7. Now we put the value of x in any of the equations and obtain value of y. X is equal to 7 in equation 1. We get y is equal to 15 minus x or 15 minus 7, and that is y is equal to 8. X is 7 and y is equal to 8. The original number is 10x plus y. Thus, the original number 10x plus y, that is 10, value of x is 7 plus value of y is 8. We get 70 plus 8, that is 78. So the given number is 78.